Hello everybody, welcome to Life of Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're going to review the new filter I got for the fish tank. Now I've had aquariums for a long time. And I've always tried different type of filters. So I've tried the little ones at the beginning when you first started out. You know, the little box things that you had to put the cotton in and the charcoal in. I had those for a long time. And then we went to the external filter. Then we went to this external filter. It hooked onto the outside of the aquarium in the back. The water came up through, one-handed here. The water came up through the nozzle there, and then it flowed out through here, which was fine, except for the fact that those filters would get clogged up and overflow. And as you can tell, it did do some damage to the hardwood floor whenever that happened. And that seemed like that was happening more and more often, no matter how much I changed the filters. Plus, I couldn't get the filters. I couldn't get the filters at the local spot where I usually get filters. So I went and decided that this one was causing more problems than it was what was worth. And whenever we had power outage, it wouldn't come back on, and I'd have to come in, shake it to make it work. So I went to the store and I found this new filter. This is an Aqueon Quiet Flow 20 internal par filter. I love this thing. This filter will keep the water cycling at 130 gallons per hour. It requires no priming, and it will automatically restart if the power is interrupted. It holds the cartridge in place and has a bio filtration. It uses a medium cartridge. It has a coarse medium sponge, which also acts to filter out the stuff. The cartridges are very easy to replace. They remove the pollutants, the organic debris, and odors from the aquarium water. These are available in the cartridges are available in single 3-packs, 6-packs, and 12-packs. The cartridges should be changed every 3 to 4 weeks. And like I said, so far I have been very pleased with this filter. You can't even hear it running. The water, when I first put it in, it just came straight out of the box. It either has suction, it can be attached with suction tubes, cups, or it can be attached with hooks. Both are in the box, so you can make up your mind which one you want. I decided on the hooks. It comes out of the box. All you have to do is put the hooks on, or the suction cups on, whichever one you want, and put it in the water and plug it in. I thought I was going to have to rechange the whole water when I first got this, because the water was really bad. I mean, we're talking really bad. You couldn't even see the fish. And within 24 hours, because I didn't have time to do it right away, this water was this clear. And I really like it a lot. It's quiet. You don't hear it. Water never ever comes out of the back. So you can see the back of the aquarium. There's nothing there. Water is always confined into this little unit. I'll take the top off and you can see the unit itself. I just got through feeding them, so you still see a little bit of food on top. But this thing has worked wonderfully. It wasn't all that expensive, and I also picked up a package of replacement filters for it. Like I said, I've had it for a good, well, actually 3 weeks. because I got it before I fell. So I've had it for 3 weeks. Efficiently cleans the water and filters it. Installs without any problem, suction cups or the hanging clips. It includes the carbon filters and of course medium sponge for additional biological filters. I highly recommend, if you have fish, to get an internal water filter. Saves you a lot of problems, a lot of time, and maybe even saves you from having to repair anything. So, hope you enjoyed this little review of the Aqueon Internal Power Filter. And remember, dream big, follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.